Hi, Year 4! As you know, we are doing character studies right now in our reading workshop. And today's going to be a little bit of review. As you know, we discussed this last week. And we talked about how getting to know a character in a book is a little bit like getting to know a new friend. And when we get to know someone in real life, we usually listen to what they say and we watch what actions they do. And another thing we can do in a book that we don't always get to do in real life is that we can even sometimes read about what they're thinking. So when we put those together, the thoughts and the actions and the words that characters say, we can really get to know a character well. And when we really want to get to know a character, we're not just going to look for something that they do or say just once, are we? Instead, we're going to look for patterns. That means that we're going to try to see if there's things that they do again and again and again. So let's think back to Stone Fox and the main character, Little Willie. So one thing that we started to get as an idea about Little Willie is that he never gives up, right? So he didn't just have one challenge that he didn't give up. He had many challenges in that story, didn't he? And every single time that he met a challenge, he kept going and he said, I am going to do this. We're going to find a way. So because Little Willie, again and again, time and time again, he had a challenge in front of him and he did not give up, we started to make a theory. So it started with an idea. And as we saw that pattern of behavior, we came up with a theory. So what I'm wondering, therefore, is if in the book that you're reading right now, you might be noticing a pattern of behavior in one of the characters that could help you to make a theory about that character. Or how about this? Everybody, go ahead and close your eyes. Close your eyes. And think about a character from a book that you've read in the past. It could be any character. Do you have a character in your head? Okay, open your eyes. Think about the first trait that pops in your head when you think about that character. And now, think about, how do you know that that character's kind? Or how do you know that that character is a really loyal friend? Or how do you know that that character is very, very clever? What pattern of behavior helped you to come up with that theory about your character? So what I'd like for you to do is just jot down a little note about either a character in the book you're reading right now or the one that you were just thinking of, and explain what was the pattern of behavior that helped you to make this theory about your character. All right,